Good morning, everybody, and this is your Euro USD setups for today. So this is onwards and sideways. There is no structure brewing at all, so we're above and below the moving averages on the 8-hour here. So I don't trust this, not until we start breaking through some levels. So if you start dropping down through the time frames, you'll see complete confusion, right? So this week has been big up, big down. Last week was big up, big down. So there's absolutely nothing brewing here. We've still got some more noise coming out tomorrow with non-farm payrolls. So I would expect this thing to just keep doing what it's doing until we have the noise out the way. So I'm not even going to bother getting in on this. I think we need to wait for the setups to brew. We need to wait for some decent structure on the higher time frames. And when you look at that on the 3-hour, there's no decent structure. What am I talking about when I say decent structure? Something like this big downtrend here. So I am expecting this, to be honest, to come to an end. So I'm expecting this downtrend that we've had, if you just look at it on the daily, I'm expecting this to come to an end. So you can see there's a lot of confusion here, trying to form a flag, trying to get going back to the downside. But to me, this could be a rounding bottom. But we'll need to start getting up above 106,937 before we can even start considering that at the moment. So until then, this is sideways. It is range bound, and it's going to be very difficult to try and second guess this with some noise coming through. From a 50-minute perspective, you could argue that the trend is up on the 50-minute, and if you're going to sit here and watch this, or even on the 5-minute, you'd be wanting to buy off there. So you'd be looking for a pullback onto 105,749 to buy, but I don't think you're going to get very far. To be quite honest, I think you're probably just going to get a bit of whiplash here. So it'll probably drop below, keep moving, drop below, take stops the upside. I don't see any structure here that's going to help you right now. So anyway, that's kind of my view at the moment. We'll wait this one out. We'll wait for tomorrow. So we'll only pick up on currencies, I think, from Monday onwards. S&P 500 has got some decent setup. DAX has also got some half-decent setup. So that's where I would be focusing today. Hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.